See, the matter pertained to basically, we had filed a writ petition in the High Court, basically stating that the Government of India, Ministry for Tribal Affairs, had in fact granted grants for reconstruction of a market complex at Banastari. And this was basically, the grants were given under the Constitution for the benefit of the ST community. In the petition thereafter, when the petition came up for hearing, the Directorate of Tribal Affairs, Government of Goa, filed in fact an affidavit. At paragraph 5 they stated that out of the 64 shops, 27 shops would be reserved for people from the ST community, and 100 places would be reserved for vendors in the open space at the reconstructed complex. Now, in total defiance of this affidavit and order, the village Panchayat has passed an illegal resolution whereby now they have gone ahead, auctioned the premises without keeping any reservation for the ST community, as per the order of the High Court, as well as in defiance of the affidavit filed by the Directorate of Tribal Affairs. They have auctioned all the shops at the reconstructed market complex and even auctioned 5 places which they claim they have reserved for ST community, which cannot be auctioned in the first place. They have to be reserved for persons of the ST community, and they have to decide how the shops would have to be allocated to them. Now they claim that they have made reservations for 5 people from the ST community, but we don't find that from the record. So now today the High Court heard the application first day, and the High Court, after hearing the petitioners and the village Panchayat, has ordered status quo. And we had also directed the High Court to clarify that the shop should not be occupied. So that part of the order has been dictated, but it was not audible to us. But status quo has been ordered as far as the the shops, allocation of the shop through auction is concerned.